Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvirivan. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can update your Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 or 4X to MIUI 11, so version 11. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification about our recent uploads or recent videos. So guys, let's get started. At first we need to download an app called Down MI from Play Store. Here you can see Down MI, first one. You have to install it. I have already installed, so I will not again install it. So after installing, open this app. At the first step, you have to select your device model. So my device model is Note 4. You can see the Note 4 or Note 4X. There are two versions available: Redmi Note 4 or Note 4X, MTK or Qualcomm. I'm selecting the Qualcomm. Then second step is type of ROM. So what type of ROM you need? Global stable, global beta, China stable, and China developer. I'm selecting the global stable. That's the best. And third step is to ROM version. Select ROM version. So first one is version 11, means MIUI 11. Second one is version 10, means MIUI version 10, and fourth one is version 9, MIUI 9. So you have to select the first one because the first one is MIUI version 11. That's the latest. So guys, then you have to download the firmware. So if you download the recovery version, then you do not need any computer, or if you download the fast boot version, you must have a computer. So guys, I'm downloading the recovery version. Press the download button and select any browser you have. Here you can see it has started downloading Note 4X or Note 4 version 11. So guys, after downloading this, what to do? After downloading this, you have to install it manually. So how to install it manually, guys? If you do not know how to install it manually, please check the description. There you will find a video. Watch it and know how to install it. So guys, thanks for watching our video. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification about our recent uploads. So stay tuned with us, guys. We'll be back with a new video. Thank you.